There's a spy hiding inside your Wi-Fi settings. You didn't install it, but your ISP did. It's called DNS, and it quietly tells companies every site you visit, even when you're in incognito mode. So what exactly is DNS? Well, think of this as the internet's phone book. It turns names like youtube.com into numbers your computer can actually understand. So when you type in a website into your browser, your device doesn't know where that is right away. It sends a request to a DNS server, which looks up the site's IP address and then sends it back so your browser can connect. Pretty simple at first. The problem is that by default, those DNS lookups go through your internet provider. This means they can see every single site you visit, even if the content of the site is encrypted. And that's where the privacy issue starts. It doesn't matter if you're on HTTPS or using incognito mode, your DNS requests still expose the where part of your traffic. Simply put, your ISP knows which websites you visit, but not what you did there. In this sealed envelope, the message is hidden, but the address is printed on the front. And that's all it takes for companies, advertisers, or data brokers to start connecting dots about your online habits. But privacy isn't the only reason to care about your DNS. Speed also matters too. Every time you load a website, your device has to look up where that site lives. And if your DNS server is slow, then that lookup becomes a mini delay. And when you're visiting dozens of sites a day, those milliseconds start to pile up. Most ISP DNS servers are fine, but nowadays the biggest delays when visiting websites are DNS requests, not your actual internet speed. So making that part faster could do a lot to improve your experience. Private DNS providers like Cloudflare, Google, and Quad9 run global networks designed to answer those lookups as fast as possible. So the question is, which DNS should you actually use? Well, there are a few good options out there, all free and all better than your ISP's default. Let's start with Cloudflare DNS, which is located on these IPs. It's fast, it's private, and it doesn't log your browsing history. They've built their entire brand around transparency, and you can even read their privacy audits online. If you want a one-tap setup, Cloudflare has its own app for Android and iOS that handles everything automatically. Then you have Google DNS, which can be found over here. It's super reliable and globally available, but let's be honest, it's Google. It's fast, yes, but is it private? Well, not as much. If your goal is anonymity, then you might want to skip this one. Next, Quad9 at these IPs, which is great for security-focused users. It blocks malicious domains using threat intelligence feeds, so if you accidentally click a shady link, it'll stop the request before the site even loads. Lastly, there's NextDNS, which is a favorite among privacy nerds. It is a little more involved, but you can customize it. You can block ads, trackers, and even filter adult content at the DNS level. Plus, you can check your own analytics dashboard to see what it's blocking without giving up your privacy. All of these are super easy to set up, faster than your ISP's DNS, and way better for your privacy. For most people, Cloudflare or Cloud9 hit the sweet spot between simplicity, privacy, and speed. So changing your DNS is one of the quickest privacy wins that you can make. It's free, it takes under a minute, and instantly makes your connection faster and harder to track. Thanks so much for watching VPN Mentor, where we make online privacy easy to understand and actually useful. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and check out that VPN video next. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.